Good morning, good morning. Today we're going to get the WeedEater blade out I just bought. I'm going to be replacing this old guy. This is just an old saw blade right here. And this just came in. We're going to see what this should be pretty good right here. What I got here is a IRONHIT blade, and comes with some gloves. Comes with the safety kit on how to put it on the blade there. And this is one of the blades right here. We're going to see how it cuts after a while on the mesquites out here with those carbide tips like that right there. And it comes with a brush cutting blade. We'll get that out. And also a different kind of blade. It's like the saw blade. But see, that's a whole lot bigger than what I've been using. You compare the two like that. So after a while, we'll see how it cuts. Stay tuned, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, now we're working on getting this dude off. Got to take a screwdriver, find the hole in here, and you kind of brace it. I already broke this loose, so I didn't have to use a vise or anything. It's reverse threaded. Let's see, that guy off there like that, that nut. We'll save everything the way it went on. Now here comes that blade off. I already checked out the rotation of this is counterclockwise when you're looking down on it. And I know that probably looks backwards in there. And you see the blade here has rotation on it. So I'll make sure I put it on properly with the right rotation. And then we're going to stick this on here. And hopefully it's the same hole. If not, they got some other ones in there to fit this guy. Get that in there like that. We don't want it to wobble around, see. So I'm going to have to find just the right. There we go. That should hold that bolt. And I got my washer going back on. And like I said, this is reverse threaded. So we want to not let her spin around on you. Now she's tightening it better. That's pretty, like a flexible blade there too. Okay. We don't want that coming off. So I didn't take all the threads that I needed. Just those. And what this blade's going to allow me to do is get closer to the ground and cutting those trees off. Right now, with the regular saw, it's stuck up like this. But this guy here, it'll get closer to that ground with the blade, and then I won't be hitting them with the lawnmower. So, again, this is these are called IRONHIT blades, and I got them on Amazon. And you'll be looking for my link in the description, and we're going to see how they work after a while. Appreciate you being with us today, and we'll see you after a while once we get a little test run. All right, we'll try this. Thing's going to blow around in front of what I want to see. So what I'm trying to point out is what you see there is I changed the blade to the chainsaw one, and you can see that on the edge there how the one's higher than the other. So let's just see how this is going to work with this new blade I put on there from IRONHIT. Check it out. Won't get noisy. As you can see right here, how much lower I can cut with this. That much lower. The first one was with that a saw blade, and with this chainsaw IRONHIT blade, I could cut it down a whole lot lower. And how quick that was. And it took me forever with just that other blade and a regular chainsaw. And this tree's just about to go over. It's pretty quick. And let's see if I can just push it over now that I got it cut. And we can just find out together. It's that quick. All with the IRONHIT blade, the chainsaw blade here, all from Amazon. Be sure to look for my link in the description for Amazon affiliate link. And we appreciate you watching. And I'm gonna go and attack those other ones out there and get this job finished on this hill, which is my pond, and I don't need these mesquites sucking water out of my pond and starving the fish of water. Anyway, appreciate you being with me today. And again, it's the IRONHIT chainsaw blade. Came with a kit of 3 of them. And you can see how smooth I got to the ground with that. And I'm going to dress that one up too. Make sure you check out my link in the bio. Well, this is where we started today with the new IRONHIT. This is a saw blade used on the old WeedEater. And we started right here. We took down these branches here. And as we walked along, you can see all the laid over trees. And what I was getting at, this is the first one I cut. How close it gets to the ground, it helps me. That's this little thin spot I got to do. And before, the earlier one left this much sticking up. But with this blade, I can get flush to the ground. And we took care of all that. And IRONHIT sure made a hit with me. It took some time, and now I need to sharpen it. But as you can see, that one blade and a day on the WeedEater got all this done. You can see all they got cut out of here and how flush to the ground they are, so I can not hit them with the mower. And you don't have to walk along up here to go fishing in the pond and trip on a stump, thanks to the IRONHIT blades. And it did exactly what I wanted it to do. Took those out, flush to the ground. These guys flush to the ground. All these mesquite trees, see. Please don't forget to hit my link for Amazon in the bio. Now, she got a little bit dull on me about here, so I'm going to sharpen it up. It even came with sharpeners. I'm going to sharpen it up. And we got all these little guys down here too. And then I'm going to come back and I'm going to get that one down to the ground. And this one down to the ground. We got that one down to the ground. And then this guy right here is still kind of hanging on. But we're going to come back after I sharpen it. Because they did send sharpeners with it. And then we'll use the rest of them when we get back. Appreciate y'all watching. Have a blessed day. And don't forget to hit my links, whether it's in the description of the YouTube or the bio, or on TikTok or Facebook. Have a blessed day.